Destina. I'm from IAIN Bengkulu. I am in second semester and I choose the English department. And now I will to share with you about the 3 tips to sound like the native speakers. Before you know how to sound of the native speaker, you must know about the pronunciation. Not pronunciation, but pronunciation. Because pronoun is like I, my, me, mine. So you must know about how to do pronunciation. Pronunciation is how to pronounce the words in English. Okay, we go to the first. The first one is connect word. Connect word. The native speaker has the method to connect the words. Because the tongue of the mouth of the native speaker is like that, not like us. It's so difficult for us to be the native speaker, but I think you can follow the method. Okay? The first method is connect the word. The native speaker is so difficult to sound black coffee. Black coffee. It's so difficult for them. So the native speaker, if the consonant like B, C, D, F, and etc. If the consonant at the last word have the consonant sound and the next word have the consonant 2 in the first word, it's so difficult to sound the words. So we can drop the first one, like C meet the C, like black coffee. It's so difficult to sound this. So the native speaker said black coffee, black coffee. Okay? And the second is what do? You know that T and D is a consonant. And T and D have almost have the same sound, so you can drop on the first one. And so the native speaker not say, "What do you do?" but "What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? What do you do?" Okay. And the last is not at all. Not at all. The native speakers have a difficulty to say not at all, but the native speakers say that not at all, not at all. So you can connect the word or you can scratch the word not at all. Okay, and the second tip is scratch the word. Scratch the word. The native speaker has, I think, a method to scratch the word. They don't sound comfortable. Comfortable. It's so difficult for them. So the native speaker say comfortable. The native speaker say comfortable, comfortable, not comfortable, but comfortable. Okay, I'm so comfortable with this class, like that. And every, the native speaker don't say every day. It's so difficult for them. So the native speaker said the native speaker said every. I go to school every day. I go to school every day. Every and every. Okay, the last tips is scratch the letters. Scratch the letters. The native speaker said if consonant M and with the T, they said CHR. So the native speaker said country. Country. Okay? Practice it. And speaker says 100. If and D is mid, so the native speaker said like J. So the native speaker say count. I'm so sorry, I made a mistake. The native speaker said 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, not 100, not 100, because it's so difficult for them. So the native speaker say 100. Okay, and the last, D and Y. If D and Y, this is like the connect word. If D and Y is mid, so the native speaker say like J. So the native speaker, did you? You can drop the first one and you can say did you? What did you do? Okay, like this. Okay, I think this is 3 tips for sound like native speakers, and the best method is you must practice and a lot of practice in your life, so you can hear the music, you can hear or listen to television or listen to Western movie, and you can read some magazine, and you can read a lot and read loud. Okay, I think enough for my explanation about 3 tips how to sound like the native speakers. I think enough, and I would say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thanks for watching.
But